For the next segment, we are introducing our colleague Xenia. Please come to the stage. She's going to present the next segment. Do you have a microphone?
Yes.
Okay, so good. So we're going to remove ourselves from the...
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thanks, Massimo. Thanks, Fabio. Hi, everyone. I'm Xenia. And it's a big honor for me to be here and announce the winners of Arduino Community Challenge. First of all, I would like to thank all the people participating in this challenge all over the world. We received 123 applications, so a huge applause to all the people participating. So the highest number of applications we received from Asia region, so we received 47 applications. So thanks, guys, for your participation. And so let's move forward to the winners of different categories. And the first category is audio and visual arts. And the winner is the project called Drum Cube by Franco Molina. And applause.
Hi, my name is Franco Molina from Santiago de Chile. I am the winner of the Arduino Challenge in the category of Audio and Visual Arts. And this is my project. It is called the Drum Cube. It is a portable robot drummer and it can play music with you. It improves the world of music by bringing a musician which is not human, is not a recording, nor a digital virtual instrument. It is something you can see, touch and feel, as well as hear. It works with an Arduino Uno. It controls 3 different servos, which move these wooden sticks to hit this can and 2 little piezos in here and in here. The Arduino also controls a transistor white noise generator, which acts like a drum hi-hat. You can program it with different rhythms and change the pattern of a song with an external switchfoot. This project took me almost a year to complete, so I'm very pleased with this award. Thank you very much from Chile. Muchas gracias. Grazie mille.
Thank you, Franco. So the next category is environment and space. And the winner is the project called Intelligent Irrigation System by Ahmad Radi. Let's have a look.
My name is Radi. I live in Bandung, in Indonesia. My project is Intelligent Irrigation System and water and soil quality monitoring based Internet of Things and data science in agriculture. I create this project by Arduino Mega and some of humidity sensor of soil, and this is for temperature of soil, and this is air humidity and air temperature for weather measurement, and this is Raspberry Pi for MQTT gateway.
Okay. The next category is home automation, and this category is sponsored by our distributor Mauser. So the winner in this category is Andrea Scavuzzo. Let's have a look. Applause.
Hello, this is Andrea Scavuzzo from Palermo, Italy. I'm an electronic engineer, and I started to use Arduino since 2013. So the main idea of this project is to create a very low-cost home automation system based on Arduino. So the user can buy the Arduino, some sensor, and connect them using the application on the mobile phone. The name of application is Arduino. Arduino means Arduino made by me, by Andrea. This is the project. This is an example of Arduino. This is an Ethernet shield. This is Arduino Mega. In this case, I connected it to internet using a cable to the modem. I connected also a relay board. In this case, this is a simple relay in which we have 4 relays. Another important point is the possibility to see on the application of the sensor. So all the connected sensor on the Arduino can be displayed here. And also then another point is the possibility to connect all the board using the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, thank you everybody. Bye bye.
Congratulations to Andrea. So the next category is kids and education. And the winner in this category is the project called Our View of Smart Living by Davor Sijanovic. Applause.
Hello to everyone. We're an Arduino school project team from Vukovar, Croatia. My name is Davor. This is Marko, Matko, Sanja, Matija, and Ivan.
By working on a project using genuine Arduinos, we came up with an idea of making a model of our hometown Vukovar, where we can present some of our ideas about the infrastructure a smart city should have. This project we named Our View of Smart Living. This model uses genuine Arduino boards, 3 NKR1000 and 1 Arduino Uno. We competed in the education category and we believe it made a positive impact on problem solving and programming which would enhance developing the specific computer way of thinking in classroom environments. This magnificent model offers a solution, greater electricity saving, better use of solar sun power panels, and reducing traffic jams on the roads as well as around parking lots. Our motto is, we provide a solution to less pollution.
Great. So let's move forward to the next category, and it's called Robotics, and it's sponsored by our distributor Distrelec. So the winner in the category Robotics is a project called Robot Save by Desap Loic. Let's have a look.
Hi, I'm called Desap Loic. I am the Team Education Ambassador in Cameroon. I am from Cameroon. Today we are celebrating the Arduino Day 2019, in which I'm glad to present my project Robot Save, which is a deployment of my experimental robot called Dashboard for the agricultural purposes for the collection of data. The robot is being based on Arduino Maker. Voilà. And the positive impact of this robot is to enable easy acquisition of data of the agricultural environment, also enable more reliable monitoring and management of the agricultural environment, also for the prediction of climate change. Thank you very much.
Awesome, and now we're moving to the next category, and I would like to invite to the stage Andy from our distributor Farnell Element 14. Please, Andy, welcome on stage.
Thank you very much, and it's a pleasure to be here at Arduino Day. So I'm from Farnell Element 14, and we have sponsored the Small Scale Manufacturing and Startups Award. I'd just like to very quickly thank Arduino for very kindly inviting us to sponsor it. It's great to be part of such a fantastic challenge. So without further ado, announcing the winner of the Small Scale Manufacturing and Startups Award is Xide by Microside Technology.
Hi, I'm Jesus Cortez, the CEO of Microsite Technology, a Mexican startup company located in Tlaxcala City. I present you the Excite project. It's a hardware kit based on one main programmer module, the XU, and 20 breakout complement boards that can be used as 4 microcontrollers platforms: Arduino, Pinguino, Microchip PICs, and Atmel AVRs. 3 breakout complement boards can be used as Arduino Uno, Nano, and Mega. The main feature of Excite is that we took off 50% of the components and we emulated into the XU. In this way, we can save time, energy, and resources to make the boards. And at the same time, we are taking care of the environment. Right now, we have 2 assembling lines and we are producing the Excite in our city. In this way, we are helping to local students and makers create new IoT projects. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And so the last but not the least category is called social innovation, and it's sponsored by our distributor Arrow. And the winner is the project called Escornabot by Ángel Villanueva Martinez. Applause.
Hello everyone, I'm Ángel Villanueva and I'm from Barcelona, Spain. It's my pleasure to show you my project which has as its main character the Escornabot robot, an open source hardware project that aims to bring robotics and programming to children. In this particular case, to blind children or children with any kind of visual impairment. The final goal of this project is to help those children to use the Escornabot robot and to use robotics as a learning tool. Thanks for watching.
Thanks a lot. So once again, congratulations to the winners and a big thanks to everyone who participated in this challenge. You guys rock. Applause.